The topic of social innovation, I give it that you understand what it is. Of course, there could be a long discussion about what is social innovation, but for sure, I think that you haven't seen, looking around, that the topic of social innovation moved toward the front line of every discussion. So the idea of looking to innovation is very old. But innovation without adjective, everybody intended a technological innovation. Today, we have discovered, but we are not only me, Francois, him, and you, but we means also Michelle Obama and Barroso, understand that innovation happens also into the society. And some says, modestly me too, that the most interesting thing, if you are always as designer look into innovation, we have to look into the society, because a lot of very interesting things happen. Mio was saying before that searching for interesting community doing something interesting only in this part of Manhattan, they found several hundred. So if you look carefully, before we were talking, one strategy is to start from existing entities, not necessarily formal association, but entities, somebody, group of people doing something. If you look carefully, you find interesting people doing something everywhere. This is an exercise I always do with my students. When we start, I tell my story and they say, yes, but in my place nobody is interested, everybody is looking at the TV and so and so. I say, let's do it. So these are the parameters. Look around your home, 2 kilometers around the home, and look carefully and see if you find something. And every time they come back with several very interesting cases, even in a place degraded as Italy in this moment, unfortunately. But even there is a more dynamics that can be used. These are the energy. When we say how things and why they should happen, because we tell them, no, at least this is not my strategy. It will not happen because simply we tell to people, you have to organize the public space and this is the bench, thanks to which, sorry, I am not criticizing you, sit there and you will socialize. More near to act, that are organized in some way. So, social innovation is very important in general. If we talk about sustainability, but not only, probably it's very important also if we talk about business today. It's certainly very important if we talk